The daily code snippet. Our example still doesn't really look like a table. Why is this? Typically with a table, you are trying to relate one data element to another. Tables have a special row that helps identify the information that will be found in the same column. This row of special cells are called a header, and the initial cell in each row will identify the information to be found in that row. Let's say we are working in a veterinarian's office and the table is listing patient demographics. So in the first column, we may have an identifier for each pet. Subsequently, we will have a column for the type of animal, age, and breed. So in our table, we see that the first column is the identifier, and we have 3 pets. The second column is for what kind of pet is it, and you see that there are 2 dogs and 1 cat. And the third column is the age of the pet in years, and we can see that the pets range from 2 to 12. And in the last column, we list the breed of the animal, and we see that there's a German Shepherd, a Bengal, and a Havanese. To create a header row, we use the table header element. So with our code, we see that we have a table element enclosing all of the other elements. We see that we have 4 table row elements. Each of these rows enclose 4 cells. In the first row, we have our header cells. So we see that each piece of content is enclosed by a table header element, while in the subsequent rows, the content is enclosed by table data elements. Table header cells have a default styling associated with them. They will appear bold and centered. This helps them to stand out. Presented by Designers Learn Code.